the Yamit me. Ebi Konya Massa, the any bam, said the bear. More don't be tight.
Seriously, we didn't tighten it there to be frank.
It's that's why you're blushing, girl. Hey, see you. Hey, I'm jealous. This one.
Hey, don't be jealous. Get yourself a boyfriend. Get yourself a husband. You.
I will.
Stop making money and marry.
I will. And I'm happy for you,
sweetheart.
So please.
But the beauty of marriage should have been like this, so.
And one will be happy.
You understand? But then,
as I've been saying, just calm down, be respectful, humble yourself, obey him. Say, we need to call sweetheart. Ignore. Sweetheart, to phone the ring. You don't find man. Men can be fear.
Me fampo mano. Your call.
Good.
No, I'm a fa. And then I just a maso come.
Debbie.
It's a summer shampoo.
And shampoo. You wani.
Many uncles.
Oh no, it's not the guilty conscience. Kashani said, "You're in there."
Yeah. Back to
what has
it's true.
Jennifer.
Easier.
I'm happy for you.
Oh, I'm happy for you too. Please get yourself a boyfriend.
Don't you go there. Don't me.
Hey.
Boyfriend. I will. Maybe I could me say me advice your mouth for more worry.
Oh no, sweetheart. Get yourself a boyfriend.
Hello, baby. Oh, baby. Baby, miss me sorry. You miss fetch me. Oh. Medo. Miss Ro. Wakatino. Ish. Can any ambre? For the number busy. No, where do you again block me? Hey, Beyonce. Hey, Gawy. Okay. Hey, Beyonce. Wouldn't you know me? Hey, me come back when I will be on you down. Oh, bebre, oh, sooner than a born. Oh, Bema, Benjamin, but Bembo Batista Power will be a bit that. Oh, bebre, oh, what you're boating. That's what you're going. Ama, no. Ama, me hace conmigo.
Wow. Home sweet home. They're back here.
Please make yourself comfortable. Get my key out. Now welcome home.
Sugar.
Yes, dear.
Auntie Hannah holding a wet jar at all. Hey.
Now, if you need a car, then like. A house is nothing, but the people living in it.
Oh,
that
please.
makes it comfortable or not.
Please, it speaks a lot. Girlfriend.
Yes, dear. Water.
No, I'm okay.
Drink.
I'm happy for you anyway.
Thank you, honey. So that's my
this
house.
Is beautiful. Sugar, but please, I'm pleading. Do you want me to go on my knees?
Again in this house?
Yes.
Well, I'm finally here.
Because this is your house, this is your home.
Okay.
No, Oba has said no. Oba pa misro. Put all your ego and your anger and those things aside. Or accept it. So please don't let me talk too much. I mean, don't walk out of this door again.
I pray so.
Shoo.
I pray so.
This door is locked. You are not coming out of this house again.
I'm not going out again.
Promise me.
I promise that.
Just calm down. Be soft. Be sober.
Okay.
Please.
Alright.
This
I pray everything works well.
And you should say there was a sun like uphill. Because second chance here, sister.
I'm messing it up.
This is everything is gone.
You see my auntie JJ catch me aunt. So say your mom second chance. I'm messing it up there.
This is Sewara or
Sewara.
Sewara. Anyway, I think in this house I'll go for club sandwich.
So we're going out again.
Yes.
We're going out again.
Yes,
I should order.
Okay, then order. Yeah, order.
Let me get my phone and order.
Okay. Oh, I'm happy for you, girlfriend. Oh my God. Enter.
With one leg. Hey.
What's up, baby girl?
Sweetheart. Cool. You good?
I'm good.
You glowing.
My calculating musical science.
Madam. Hey, Adam car. What the idea chini idea saying Adam?
Hey, do you hear from this our friend, the one who brought you the shoes? What's his name?
Tory Badge.
Yes.
Kwekuti. Yeah. What is it? You want some of the shoes?
Now what can you say me, baby? Hey, Sugar.
Baby, what can you say me, shoes? Ella, now what go find your mom badly, baby? What do you want again?
A pukran so to go.
My dear.
What is that?
Yes, sir. You scared him. You shoes some for Hannah, so I can even hear the waiver.
David, one try. Go me catch me catch on. What catch on?
Man,
I
have been a bad friend.
Man, come on, dear.
My dad shoes are nice.
Excuse me. Hello. Yes. I'm with you. Me who ye. David, mean to me pure. Me feeling so like me pee. Oh, the young no china, why? I'm seeing you no china. Me for some me missing you no china. I would me am flow. Okay, bye. Hey. What?
Ella, who called? This one I will see who called you.
A friend.
So the Okasa on my guest chest so we need me there, please.
No, I just met him. Yes, a guy, yes.
Girl! And now you're almost out. What are you waiting for? Meet him outside.
No, I should just meet him.
No, but it's all like you want to go out, right?
I don't feel
my presence is keeping.
No, not that. You know I'm not used to that. Yeah,
girlfriend, give yourself a try, la.
You sure?
Pin yourself for that. You are a woman. Definitely you need someone, a man. No matter how much you get in your account, one night you feel lonely and you need someone to talk to.
You sure?
So at least if not for anything, for childbirth, companionship, you need a man, please. Give it a try. Yeah? He's a cute guy, right? I can imagine.
He's tall,
dark.
Not bad looking. Presentable.
Oh, you understand. So, my girl, you'll be advising me always. What to me for? Open myself, right? Open myself, of course. I know you do. Until but for once, once you see me. Yes, let's meet him. Yes, if you're not going alone, let me.
Then you come with me.
Of course, I can do everything for you. You know that.
So, tomorrow, like
for lunch.
Lunchtime.
Yeah, we can meet him at lunch. Hey! The singleness is broken. In the name of Jesus.
Hey.
You've been lying down like this.
Wow.
So tired.
As you want to say?
Boko. Your friend is also when you're boy.
Why?
You're like here. Ella. My friend Ella.
On what?
Ella, your boy.
What's my boyfriend is coming?
One no.
And then when you be. Oh, you're a nyamia.
Ella, your boy. Let me land. Or say, me any wo anya call, ya kasa anya call. Kasa te nipa no no attitude of phone so. Maybe na me say, hey, one another kasa man attitude that. When you na hands or no phone so sa. Oh yeah. Or say, a meaty guy, big guy person in a P like got time baby to know themselves. One person come say, hey. What is wrong with you? And don't hear baby don't get any brain a drama then. What you say?
I dare chance and
so me catch train. Me catch train is upon everything, business, everything was can be a day. When here collide that che was also man. If not for anything, when I joke, you need someone to talk to. I mean, your girlfriends, they be out. When they are busy with their husbands, you need a man to come to.
Frankly speaking, like they be a bodam man. But I won't say, come over now, Diana, to say be out. Yeah. Till I say, be a banana come on.
To me catch and said, "Oh no, baby, I'm a catcher. No, now mom advice and everything for once on me. We should go and meet the guy."
I'm happy for the girl. I just hope send back on a very good.
If me catch and was saying, "Me never committee guy for the first time. They are fine." Now then we see me assess a guy near cool. And said we'll describe a guy and some that tall guy be come out so I come out. I was judging from head to toe and fan could see.
But so I need you on there.
Now lad will be a 2 and someone fabric on who said in the last relationship no cool muna, it was so bitter. Oh, that thing has been here for long.
Oh, but when they were near Casaso, so I said, "Only my worry."
I am matured with that relationship and this thing, no. But I don't know what happened in her previous relationship. I'm what feeling. Hey, then say yeah, and I'm focused on my business.
Finger on for a band one way a barrel finger cream for
coughing. And everyone, face out to radio, so when you are home. Hey,
and I'm in row here.
Oh, here saying your bedroom. Send the business.
Ope, tell me, I've said, I said, you don't share with me. And I do for now. Why, yes, I won't be so.
I said, yes, sir.
And I'm doing chief for
all right, dear.
Matas abre.
Me, I'm it to me.
Hey, no, Oba, I'm not going to say. But you are not welcome. Wait, Masako.
I'm not welcome, Sasay. I'm not welcome, Sasay. No,
I want to be welcome me away. Debbie.
Now, when be a fit?
Debbie, virus, Debbie, will be throw me out, Anna. I won't go. See, you didn't tell me about her say. Member has a minute now.
Talk.
I shouldn't talk. Me, baby, I'm sitting here.
I would die.
Hey. I feel no better catch him say me die.
I would die.
Hey,
sorry,
man, yeah.
What's going on here?
But so very sorry. Me knew at the crop paper was it say on was very.
I swear that when someone solve your problems we are.
I'm done with it. I'm done with it.
Why would you call me here?
I'm done with it.
Antivirus. Is it because of your wife into na wo pamo me?
That's not any way.
When you maybe there contract ben you sign only maybe.
I'm glad you mentioned wife. And the wife no na me ye bi da na.
Relax.
Wife. I'm the wife.
It's a what of this house. It's a what?
Walk out.
Hey,
I'll be waiting for you inside. And I'll be leaving.
Oh, virus. Enti wo urine ntina. Wo treat me sa. Wo urine ntina me frɛ wa won pick me call. You don't repeat that word.
This is Kokuno.
Can English be virus? Me come kuno. Oh wow. Oh sana o de be me. I see. Listen, she miss you kosi me for. Hey, she miss you kosi me. Unyan kum tonton. Ube kum mosquito. Watch out. Chain me na ube hu. Me say chain. Na ubi hu.
Oh yes. I feel na be hu na ko bia ma ware nka be sa ba ma wo we me.
Maybe for. What the bag bomb me on?
Oh,
What the bomb me on?
okay.
Oh.
Okay.
What the bomb me on?
Guys, okay.
Baby. Super.